Hi Jonathan, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
Did you see my last video about Bumblebee?
Yes, Bumblebee crawling on the rhododendron flowers.
Can you tell me a short story how they feed on these flowers?
Feeding is vital for a bumblebee's survival. Using its proboscis, a tubular structure composed of two maxillary galea, the bumblebee accesses nectar hidden within flowers. It employs a suction mechanism generated by thoracic muscles, extracting nectar through capillary action. During this process, the bee inadvertently collects pollen on its fuzzy body, which sticks to its branched hairs called setae. A bumblebee's feeding involves the proboscis extracting nectar and inadvertently collecting pollen.
It is interesting. And now can you tell me how they fly?
Bumblebees' flight capabilities have fascinated scientists. It is impossible to see with bare eyes. You need to slow down the video at least 40 times, and then you will see it. They have strong thoracic muscles that power their wing movements. The wings beat rapidly in a figure-8 pattern, creating lift and thrust. The wings' flexibility, with a rigid leading edge and flexible trailing edge, enhances maneuverability. Bumblebees can generate vortices at their wing tips, improving lift and stability during flight.
Thank you Jonathan for a very interesting story. See you next time, bye.
Thank you, see you later.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and wait for new exciting video about life creature in the universe. Thank you, bye.